Are you tired of struggling to market your small business? Transform your campaigns with Unbounce and see results fast. Time is money, especially when growing your business. Build campaigns quickly with our optimized landing page templates. Stand out in the crowded digital space. Our intelligent tools enhance your campaigns, boosting leads, sales, and signups effortlessly. Leverage your data effectively. Receive personalized insights and improve your campaigns continuously, from launch to completion. Maximize every marketing dollar. Unbounce turns anyone into a pro copywriter, designer, and developer, streamlining your efforts. Create stunning pages without any experience. Our user-friendly landing page builder is designed for everyone. Connect your favorite marketing tools seamlessly. Integrate platforms like Google Analytics or Mailchimp in just a few clicks, no coding needed. Kickstart your campaigns with over 100 customizable templates. Get your landing pages, pop-ups, and sticky bars ready in no time. Your marketing can be data-driven. A/B test landing pages easily to determine what resonates with your audience. Design once, optimize for every device. Your pages will look great on mobile, tablet, and desktop automatically. Experience automatic optimization. Our AI technology can drive conversions by directing visitors to the perfect landing page. Copywriting made simple. Generate professional ad copy or blog posts in seconds with our AI tool. Eliminate the dread of writer's block. Share your business details, and Unbounce will create on-brand content instantly. Join others like Claire, who have streamlined their marketing efforts with Unbounce. Empower your small business to soar. Start your free trial today, and watch your marketing efforts transform.